Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm opening up these packages from AliExpress really fast. I'm in an awful hurry, but always open on camera. And I had a doll come in, and I need to get her opened on camera. Oh, this is for my SmartDoll. No, I can't take the time to dress her, but we will come back to this. I do want to show you this shirt, and then it's a little pair of jeans. I don't know how the jeans will fit, because the SmartDolls need them low-waisted. But look at this little top. Isn't that cute? It's even got elastic at the waist. Oh, I like that. I like that fabric. That is not easy to sew. That's really cute. All right, I'll put that back in a minute. Let's move on and see what else came. I bought some things from my SmartDoll that I am hoping came. Like I said, it's just a few things, real quick box opening, but it's always fun to see what other people get, or it is for me, you know, the little, what did you find that I might be able to get? Oh, that's pretty fancy. Look at that little packaging. Oh, look at this. It's even got a zipper. Well, isn't that fancy? I didn't pay that much for these shoes. Not come this fancy. That's a big surprise. I just got her some little black pumps. I rather like them. And you can strap them or not. Well, that's pretty cool. Oh, gosh, I want to go get her and get her dressed. But I won't. I won't. Like I said, we will come back to it one of these days. Oh, and here's something else for her. This, I wanted the shirt. I wasn't that keen on the...
Did the two of you sit down at AliExpress?
Who?
You and the SmartDoll.
Genia. Genia, how do you like this? Let's get this, Genia. Okay, how am I opening this? Oh, that's the only thing I hate about these bags. I like to reuse them, except finding the opening. This is what I wanted, the little top. I thought that'd be really cute with jeans, you know, and a pair of high heels. Wasn't real keen on this, but we'll look. Oh, that's interesting. Isn't that the word you use? But I really like that top. Again, wasn't very expensive. I have other 1/3 dolls if it doesn't work out for my SmartDoll. Let's get this open. I put in an offer on eBay for a SmartDoll, which I thought was a very good offer. And not only did they not accept it, they ignored me. They didn't even counter offer. It was weird. Okay, here is another one of those new square face girls. I will probably do a face up on her. Not straight away, but oh gosh, aren't they cute? They're just so cute. I just want to check her out. Look at her hair, it's a little thinner. A little thinner, not thin by any means. It's as thick as most you can see there. If you had a human tie, it might go around 3 times, but I'm betting twice. Might be loose, but not as thick as it used to be, but not bad. All right, let's check her eyes. They work. I like her. And thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.